to the theme and the topic of our summit today, we have the distinct pleasure to invite Brigadier-General Kunle Togun, former Director of Military Intelligence and first Deputy Director General of the State Security Services of Nigeria, to speak to us on how to secure your community. General Togun, sir.
Thank you very much. Please sit down. The major budget, I don't know how to call it group or distinguished Yoruba patriots, ladies and gentlemen. When I was given the topic, but before I continue, okay, Ogun Youth, are you here? Yes, Mori Pewambi. ODCF, are you here? Good. Now, before I continue, hey, Amotekun. When did you join Amotekun? 2020. Very good. What's your service number? Form number, then quote your service number. Form number, then quote. Can you rank since 2020. Sit down. Only this movie be around questions. Gbogbo plan tí mo ní fún Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn mo ò jẹ́ kí n ṣeun. Débi pé ó wà nínú òfin establishing Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n láti gba pension. Governor ló kò sí pension. Ṣèyí Mákindé, yes. Now, when I was given that topic, how to secure your community lawfully, I went and looked for definition of community. Community is defined as people who live in a particular area, country, etc. When talked about as a group, which community? I come from Shaki, and I call it the city on the hill. Matthew 5:1 in the Bible, only when Jesus saw the multitude, he went up into the mountain. Okay, Shaki lolo. Ni gbogbo en gbo Okegun abe po Okegun. Ani odo wa ni Jesu wa. Now, Anna asked, okay, you want me to talk about how to secure my community? Ṣé Ṣakí ìlú mi ni? Ṣé Ṣakí West Local Government ni? Ṣé Federal Constituency mi ni? Ṣé Senatorial area mi lẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ ńpẹ̀? Do you want to talk about the state? But ìgbà tí mo rí pé Ban Ki-moon of Yoruba First, ìyẹn lady Sọ́sọ́ Thompson, Secretary General of Yoruba First, mo ní yes, Yoruba lẹ́mí. So you should have come and pé kí n wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa how to secure Yoruba land. Òun tẹ́ mi sí prepare paper ilé lórí ni. Now, securing Yoruba land. If you want to secure Yoruba land, you have got to analyze the threat. What are the threats to Yoruba land? What are the threats? If you want to secure, you have to look at what danger or local Judah. Analyzed these threats. Now, about 6 years ago, my late retired Colonel Agbede invited some retired senior military officers of Yoruba extraction. Àpàdé ní Ranao, officers mẹ́sì àwọn retired Army, Navy, Air Force who were led by Secretariat mẹ́rin. Àwọn mẹ́rìnlá kọ́ ìlà àwọn amúnìyà. Ṣé àwọn mẹ́rìnlá ohun tó sì sọ́jọ́ ẹni, you people, you can see the dangers facing Yoruba. Ṣé àjòkò àdàkẹ́ àmọ́ wò wọ́n ràn? So we invited more retired military officers, Army, Navy, Air Force. They all retired generals. Only can call, can say analysis threat to Yoruba land. We did it. He got in touch with late Governor Akeredolu. Òun ni chairman àwọn Yoruba governors ń gbà yẹn. Yes, we were interested. This threat analysis, this man now went abroad. Olóòlù of medical test later Konagbede. He now called, mo ti Akeredolu London o, send the copy threat to me. We sent it to him. He met Akeredolu. He gave him 2 copies of that document. Yes, it's okay. Tóun bá dé, òun á send fún wa. A máa ṣe presentation fún òun àtàwọn governors yòókù. But for his health, kò ráyè tó fi kú. But one of us met Seyi Makinde. Rita Army Navy for the mess ló wà nítòsí ẹ̀yìn náà. Máa yọjú síbẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́kọ́ pé advice lè fún mi lórí security. And he gave a copy of that document to Seyi Makinde. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ dé nílé ni. I am saying categorically, our Yoruba governors are not interested in security of Yoruba land. One know, they are only interested in politics and money. I'm saying categorically, I don't want any of them to come and challenge. Come with me law court. The only person to were concerned about security of Yoruba land is Akeredolu. I'm a go by now. Tó sọ pé òun máa lé àwọn ọkùnrin nínú gbogbo tó wà nínú wọn dá lóhùn àbí wọn dá lóhùn àwọn ayọ̀ níbẹ̀ ni ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan sí wa. Those are the Fulani harassment. Now, I can't talk on all the threats, but the greatest threat to Yoruba land is Fulani. That not Fulani harassment. Fulani is the greatest threat to Yoruba. And I'm saying it from October 1, 1960, that by independence, Nigeria had been serving the Fulani. Nigeria had been serving the Fulani. Eventually, we will security now. Funa is a very minority group. Hello, number 1 now. bọ̀bọ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe jihad tí wọ́n láwọn kan ká àwọn Haúsá ìgbà ẹni wọ́n ti àwọn ló ń dictate Nigeria. Now what happened? 2014 Buhari he has made attempts at becoming president. Kò wọlé. 2014 ó wá contest against Jonathan. Good luck Jonathan. Ó sì sọ pé tí Jonathan bá fi wọlé they will make Nigeria ungovernable for him. Good. They now turn to Miyeti Allah. Báwa kó àwọn oúnjẹ bọ̀ wá. Yes. Miyeti Allah ló kó wọn wá. Ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn ni wọ́n fẹ́ kó wá ṣe o tí náà wá fi wọlé so that kò ní ráyè ṣèjọba. But when Buhari now won the election, El-Rufai àti retired General Abdulrahman Dambazo àwọn tó wà in charge of their logistics ni. When Buhari now won the election, they relax. Mo yà sí wọn mọ́. When the people now started kidnapping and banditry ní northwest, Buhari gave Miyeti Allah 100 billion naira. Dáwọn padà. Miyeti Allah kò jẹ ní o. Ó lọ́wọ́ láwọn ọ̀lọ́ àwọn padà mọ́. Listen, these are the people got here. They are foreigners. Fulani. Well, wo kọ́ geography dáadáa mọ́ ní lákòókò yìí. Geography tèmi kọ́. Ẹ wò pé there is Trans-Sahara route ń gbà yẹn. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń fẹsẹ̀ ní lọ Mẹ́kà. There is Tuareg tribe. Geography tí wọ́n kọ́ mi. Teacher tó sì kọ́ mi geography ní Government College Ìbàdàn. Chief Takuroni. Only they are referred to as desert thieves. Yes. Tribe yẹn Tuaregs, they are referred to as desert thieves. Àwọn ni wọ́n kó wá ara wọn ni wọ́n kó wá bí wọn. And we are aware. Go people tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà ní Mali. They captured northern Mali. Wọ́n sì ń ṣèjọba. ECOWAS troops, UN troops, gbogbo ni wọ́n lọ bẹ̀. They beat those people. They captured northern Mali back from them and handed over to northern Mali. Ara àwọn tí wọ́n kó wá nìyẹn. How do you want to secure Yoruba? But you have to know the threat. Now, I want to know Fulani National Movement, Miyeti Allah, Cow Breeders Association of Nigeria, gbogbo Fulani gbogbo wọn. The first time tí Buhari ma comment, only they are using the AK-47 to defend their cows. Yes. Òun ló kó gbogbo kí ni wọlé. He is the main person in charge. But ìgbà tí when he went to UK to meet the Bishop of Canterbury, ìyẹn ni Buhari sọ fún nípa it's not the Fulani herdsmen that are killing people in Nigeria. But Gaddafi trained some people. Ó sì àmú ó kó bọ̀ fún wọn. Àwọn ẹ̀ ló infiltrate àwọn Fulani herdsmen, àwọn ẹ̀ ló ń pààyàn. There was a day. Our meeting, okay, Ogun meeting. Then all people go back the day. Hey, they should give them land. They go, money shut up. Osumo Buhari. And the general is a soldier for life. Lọ́ba Buhari. Pé tí foreigner bá wọ ìlú ilẹ̀ rẹ̀ wá armed. Kí ni wọ́n pè fún wa ní military? It's called invasion. Kí ni wọ́n ní ká ṣe sí invasion? Wọ́n ní we are to hunt them down like rabbits and eliminate them. We lọ bèèrè lọ Buhari. Ó ń dákẹ́, òun ló wà lẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀. Now, they wanted to establish a Fulani empire in West Africa. Gbogbo Obaye, Buhari is the most prominent Fulani in West Africa. Wọ́n fẹ́ lo North as their capital. But North is just a region in Nigeria. So they now want to use Nigeria as the capital of the Fulani Empire in West Africa. That was why they are bringing these people in. What was supposed to happen? April 2023. The election was March 2023, isn't it? Buhari plan pé April only kan ṣe census. Tinubu ni no, who suspended. What was Buhari trying to achieve? What ti rọ wọn wọlé. So tó bá ṣe census yẹn, ibi no bá ṣe sìn, tẹ́ bá ẹ wá rí pé like that lady was talking. Ní Yorùbá state, wọ́n ti kún bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n á sì kà wọ́n as part of those states. So ìwọ́n á jọ gbàgbọ́ ẹ̀rí Fulani they are all over Nigeria. That's what Buhari wanted to achieve. Now, these people were brought in. Now, when the Fulanis from West Africa, they came in, because there's ECOWAS free movement. Do you remember when Buhari said he has given right to every African to come to Nigeria without visa? Yes. Good. He wanted the Fulanis from Central Africa to come because they are not covered by ECOWAS free movement. And they came in. And everybody, your Fulani land south, that is you. Now, I want to remind you of something. There was this Edo State something, 21 Fulani hunters. What happened? Our visitors, they saw weapons. And they saw currency, naira and foreign currency, dollar and pound sterling. I was searching you. We are searching this vehicle. Only a research. I want food at all when you fool any hunters. Local stab or come now, Philadelphia. Yes, she won't bleed. Do what she decided to work on. If what was it, I want foreign currencies here. Anyone also any other. If can you walk back? If what is down to walk back to figure pound sterling and dollars. These are the problems. Try to cover up. Nino analysis that show. We put police as threats to Yoruba land. You know why? State authority lórí ọlọ́pàá. I retired April 1996. Mo sì wà ní Ṣakí ńgbẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn obìnrin bẹ̀rẹ̀ creating problem. Tí wọ́n bá report fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá pé owó tí ó jọ wọ́n ní tó bá lè mú ìlú wá. Wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ náà. Most of the time gbà yẹn northerners ni wọ́n fi ṣe DPO area commander ní Òkè Ògùn. Yes. Now ibo mo ń lọ. A ṣe analysis yìí débi water this thing gbogbo water routes tó wọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. We analyse everything. Bí àwọn yẹn ṣe lè lo those water routes láti wọ inú Yorùbá làwọn. That was the time tí wọ́n lọ fi Fúlàní ṣe commissioner for inland waterway lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Lagos State. I mean, I'm giving this analysis so that I can know bí wọ́n ṣe penetrate wa tó. Now, many of the forests in Yoruba land wọ́n kún bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀tẹ́ o. Bí mo ṣe ń sọ yìí. During the COVID, there was Buhari sọ pé òun council interstate movement, isn't it? That was the time Victoria want to come and drop on Oru no come drop on Yoruba land. Oru. That territorial expansion. Now, what are we talking about? Many of these people, some of our forests, what to dump weapons and ammunition, so that the appropriate time, and they attack us. Motili experience. I was posted 1993 to go and command 15 Ecomog Brigade in Liberia. I got there. Every day, Alenio, they will attack my boys. I want Chancellor Bubu. Moving! It's rubber plantation now. I follow to move. If I move further in, so when it is coming to day, when the day is coming to a close, no, pick up, some of you go banana, if you want to do Gomeria, all over here, one packet. Till they bash you, they start attacking my boys. They now discover those things. Now, where are we going? Ankpariwo, Yoruba, akọ̀gbẹ́nulẹ̀ báyìí ní àwòrán. Now, we cannot keep quiet. when our states, the Yoruba state, are in danger. Now, mo cut a short ni. Ìgbà tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ community, mo sọ pé Yorùbá. Wọ́n sọ sí pé Yorùbá ní Kogi àti Kwara. I disagree. Mo ń bọ̀ màá lọ ẹ̀ ń lọ ẹ̀yọ́ ọ̀kọ́jọ́ aláàfin ò tábà àfijọ́ tó lọ Mẹ́kà. Now, everybody knew Olawoyin, Baba Faye, they are politicians. Àmọ́ tó fojú ẹ̀rí ẹgbẹ́ Aminu Kano lòun lọ join. He was saying it by pé àwọn èṣe Yorùbá o Northern làwọn many times. Àwọn oníyì he said the same thing báwo èṣe Yorùbá they are Northerners. Yes. Olúṣọlá Sàràkí ńkọ́ did you not say it? Pé àwọn èṣe Yorùbá they are Northerners. Mo ń sọ kínní yìí. Àwọn ló ń sọ náà. Láti gbogbo problem ti délẹ̀ ta ló dìde ní Kwara àti Kogi pé Yorùbá ni wá o. Those are the same sọ pé wẹ́ wò ó pera wọn Yorùbá ní ìgbà tá a work out the first of Lagos under Jogaba ó sì kọkún owó kéré tán èyí tẹ wà báyìí ẹ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí ẹ ṣe báyìí àwọn tó wà kẹ́ra ní artillery unit tó wà níyànà ọ̀kọ́jà nǹkan ó ní they are not friendly until they prove friendly. Sójà ni wọ́n Nàìjíríà sójà àmì wọn pé ẹ máa zoom pé wọ́n support yín o tí wàhálà bá dé. They are not friendly on the problem. So àwọn Yorùbá tó wà ń Kogi tó wà ní ó yẹ káwọn náà ti máa pariwo ta pé Yorùbá ni wá. They've never done it. Mo sọ ní pé as far as I'm concerned, I'm only concerned about the geographical kini the 6 Yoruba states. Now, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lady yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ nípa I mean the professor kò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa influx of foreigners into Yoruba land. Wọ́n wọlé wọlé láti jọ yìí ó ti ń go to almost 10 years nísìnyí o. Yorùbá kọ̀ọ̀kan Yorùbá wo ló sọ̀rọ̀ rí? Let me tell you àwa rẹ̀ náà àmọ́ tá à ń sọ àmọ́ kókó tá à ń kọ́ nobody listens to us. Okay, 2001 ìgbà tí Buhari wá challenge làwọn Adésínà wípé ó ní your people ní Òkè Ògùn are killing our people. Ṣé bí bọ́ yìí tó ń ṣe chairman ndlc òun ló tẹ̀lé wá ní ìtàn náà. The Seriki Fulani tó wà lágége went on to television ní Èkó ó ní retired General Togun ló lead àwọn tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn wọn lókè Ògùn. I'm a target of the North pẹ́. So these are the problems. Now, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ okay, attacking and removing the center of gravity of threats. If you are to secure Yoruba land, our center of gravity of our threat and let's attack and remove them. Tinubu is surrounded by our initiators and supporters of banditry and insurgency. So how do we try to secure Yoruba land? Okay, 5 minutes more. Now the issue ni pé come let's talk about protecting the community's inheritance. Community's inheritance. What are the inheritance of Yoruba land? Kí ni àwọn bàbá wa pass down sí wa? Táwọn yẹ ká pass down sáwọn ọmọ wa? Culture is there, tradition is there, and the land is there. And we are losing them. On tradition, culture. One of the culture Yorùbá ni pé tó o bá pàdé àgbàlagbà o ní láti kí. Ní Jèló in the 40s mo dàgbà díẹ̀ o. Tó o bá pàdé àgbàlagbà nígbà yẹn tó o kí tó bá lẹ̀ ní kó omi á jáde kíákíá lójú ẹni. Jẹ́ pé wọn ò kọ́ nílé yín ni. Ta ló ń kẹ́ anybody nílẹ̀ Yorùbá mọ́ sùn? These are some of the things that we are losing. Our kind of civilization. It's not civilization. It's not civilization. Orúkọ ńkọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ìlú máa ń gbé dọ́gbẹ̀ wá pé kí n bá wọn ṣe kí n ṣe gàrántà fún àwọn fẹ́ join military. Abubakar Abdulkadir mani Yorùbá ni a ní Yorùbá lòun. I'm not joking. Some people in Yoruba land now, Arabic name, they won't claim a surname, Yakub, Rashid, surname also you. How do you link Rashid, Rufai, Yakub to Yoruba ancestry? Around 13 losing here. Inheritance. Now, I want to talk on land. Get land area for each state. 1B. Niger State is number 1 to have the highest, the largest land area in Nigeria. Niger State. And it is 76,363 square kilometers. The next one is Borno. There's Kaduna, there's Bauchi, there's Yobe, Zamfara. Those are. Now, Shari, that area of Niger State, Oyo, Ogun, Ondo, Ekiti, Mumbo, àti Ọ̀ṣun. Addition gbogbo rẹ̀ tó wà ní those five mo sọ fún yín kò tó Niger State. These are the problems. But ìyẹn mo á sọ ìgbà tí Bauchi governor sọ pé àwọn làwọn we send for all the Fulanis worldwide come out for Nigeria. Okay, àbínú sí. Gbogbo wọ́n ṣe wọlé yẹn o. Gbogbo ló ní NIN number lọ́wọ́. Yes. So the automatic Nigerians. Àwọn ò ní kí wọ́n máa kó wọn wá. But now wọ́n nílẹ̀. So they should wọ́n lọ kí wọ́n síbẹ̀. To secure Yoruba land, gbogbo àwọn Fulani harassment yìí á láti lé wọn padà lọ sí Fulani state. Now, òun ló kọ́ àwọn òmìnira tí aláwọ̀ bá mi o. And àwọn náà ní vigilante we want to be working hand in hand with Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn mo ní kí ni comment mo ní kí wọ́n máa lọ they will hear from us. He started working with them. Problem tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Bàràpá ó kọ́wọ́ àwọn vigilante mi yẹ́ sàrà lọ́nà. Àwọn ẹlọ́wọ́ lọ ń sọ pé eléyìí yìnbọn ni wọ́n fi kọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n kó tí wọ́n lọ tí wọ́n mọ̀ yàgàn. And the issue ìjọ tá a pín ọkọ̀ Commander ṣe meeting pẹ̀lú àwọn yẹn tí ala now. Somebody got it, also film part of it. As who? You are commander, a mini chairman. So kill and saw. Àwọn ọdẹ ìgbà tí wọn ò listen sí mi àwọn ò dáwọ́ dúró ní òkè ogun àti Ìbàràpá we are using hunters alọba ẹwà àwọn èèyàn yìí ń bọ̀ o ìjà sì máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní AK-47 ní machine gun nǹkan táwọn bàbá wa ló ń jèrè ó ń gbà ní tribal wars ẹ bá wa wá jáde. Now we have got àti rí kí ni wọ́n pè we have got success in some areas here pariwo ẹ̀ síta ìyẹn là ń sọ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tí wọ́n sọ yìí ó máa padà di ṣe police o tó bá máa di ṣe police wọ́n láti wà nínú àwọn tó máa screen wọn gbogbo àwọn ìsáàbù tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ á lé wọn dànù. Then àwọn ọdẹ ọ̀dọ́ panu wọn sì náà everybody mo sọ pé àwọn ọdẹ àti àwọn retired able-bodied discharged soldiers air force ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀kún wọn wá wọn ò ṣe náà. So these are some of the problems. Now there is coordinator tí wọ́n ṣe that is at local government level. Àwọn retired discharged senior NCOs staff sergeants sergeant majors master sergeant majors àwọn la tó wà able-bodied tí wọ́n ti ta àníkàn ṣe coordinator. So wọ́n á tún àwọn ló máa train àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn yìí in various areas. Then there is zonal command. A sọ pé retired officers of the rank of captain or major àwọn ni kí o ṣe zonal commanders wò ṣe. So yẹn sọ pé à ń pariwo Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ó ní limitation wọn training sọ yẹ kí wọ́n ní wọn ò ní. Wọ́n ní ìwọ ti lọ bá wọn ní University of Ibadan kí wọ́n ṣe conference ọ̀gbìn ló sọ fún diploma kí nìyẹn ṣe pẹ̀lú physical security. Yàtọ̀ sí ìdẹ́gbọ́n ṣe máa fẹ́ di machine gun ní náà. ambush rí patrol gbogbo wọn ò ní knowledge yẹ they were not trained. There are 100 ọkọ̀ ní ṣe má de handover ṣe bí mo tó handover fún yìí fún patrol gbogbo ohun tí mo kọ fún Ọláyanjú pé ẹ máa patrol bí tí wọ́n tọ̀yọ́ ṣètò ìbí báyìí wọ́n kàn pa àwọn ọkọ̀ wọ́n gbé wọn lẹ̀ níbi ojú kan ní àwọn ẹ̀yà jókòó síbẹ̀. That's what is happening now. Ọ̀nà Èkó gbogbo ọ̀nà wọ́n kàn pa kìnìún wọ́n sì jókòó sí díẹ̀. Is that patrol? Because go fún wọn ní that knowledge and it is risking the lives of these boys. Risking their lives. Now ní local government area ní àdúgbò wa wọ́n ní ká lo àwọn vigilante nǹkan yẹn. Yes, I agree. But mo sọ fọ́láyanjú there's a group called Brig-Gen Vigilante Group of Nigeria. When I gbọ́dọ̀ gbé anybody from that place. Ali Sokoto established Brig-Gen. Ó register ní Corporate Affairs Commission as his personal security something ni. Ọ̀kan lọ rán àwọn ọjọ́. Evangelist Kunle Adesokun told me. Ó ní ìgbà Èkó ló ti lọ sí Kaduna òun fẹ́ join Only but as a day, where is your constitution? Constitution, VGN is to defend and protect Fulani harassment. It's a farabale. Because if we are to secure Yoruba land, these are the problems. Well, I will give copy of this thing. Then my only copy threat analysis that was the general yeshe. My free copy lecture to mo give from Yoruba Council of Elders 2018. Because but let me go straight to conclusion. Now, I will start by saying now, invasion is in fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. I know it. By the Fulani, which is almost being actualized. How will history judge Yoruba after we are gone? Will we be judged as timid, cowardly hypocrites who lost our future generations' inheritance and enslaving them to foreigners who are thieves, robbing other people's heritage for their own future generations? Or as bold and fearless, who put all we have at stake to secure the inheritance, freedom, and pride of our future generation? The choice is ours. The Fulani know what they want, what they are pursuing in Nigeria. The Igbos know what they want in Nigeria. Same is true of South. It is only Yoruba that is not pursuing any interest in Nigeria. They will attack Nigeria. It is they want to own what belongs to us, and we are keeping quiet. We are keeping quiet. Now, Boko Haram, I don't want to pay. I would like to waste education. One low computer, low communication. One low computer, low computer. Oh, and I said they are opposed to it. Now, the issue is that my recommendations are many. But I just mentioned a few. Mobilization of all towns, villages, hamlets in Yoruba land through direct involvement of obas, chiefs, and village leaders to commence formation of vigilante group in each community to augment Amotekun. Àwọn ọdẹ ní kọ́ lọ bá o. Kọ́kọ́ àwọn ọdẹ jọ in each community, local government. Kọ́ sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí prepare kò tí wàhálà bá dé o. Now, all Yoruba governors should understand and bear in mind that soldiers and policemen will not cooperate with them, except where such policemen or soldiers are indigenous of where they are deployed for active service, which is not a guarantee of their loyalty to Yoruba. Akọ́ti recommend pé Yorùbá ní kó máa gbúra sí Yorùbá area ọlọ́pàá wọn ò ní ṣe. And the problem is pé ọlọ́pàá their loyalty is to IG. Wọn ò sì ní disobey IG interest tribe wọn. These are the problems. States should from now on focus more on traditional hunters another traditionalist to support Amatekun to secure the various areas. Now, all forest reserves in the southwest should be divided and hunters should be allocated to patrol them. Disarm the Fulani herdsmen through traditional ways. Àti kánú tán náà during the tribal wars àwọn tó lo òjò láti fi ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá àwọn tó lo àrá à ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí o fún Òkè Ògùn àti Ìbàràpá nìkan ni o àwọn hunters ìgbà Òkè Ògùn àti Ìbàràpá àwọn nìkan ló ń cooperate pẹ̀lú wa o, and we are getting through in some of these areas. For example, as a new breakthrough nílò oyin méjì ni àtàtúkà àtàpà ẹ má parọ́ àwa ní àtàtúkà la need torí bees no it's nature tẹ bá ti túta ṣe lè control ẹ mọ àwọn èèyàn wa gan tó wọ̀ náà side yóò táwọn o náà sọ pé tó àtàtúkà yẹ bí ó bẹ́tà ju àtàpà lọ mo kàn mention yẹn ní the other areas àtàtà ní breakthrough now. Now a ti sọ síbẹ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́kadà yìí wọ́n lò wọ́n ni láti mọ̀ tí wàhálà bá dé tí a sọ pé tó káwọn ọmọ ẹja sábàbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n á kọ́ tẹ̀ o wọ́n ti mọ̀ bí sọ́yìn ẹ̀ lì sí ìgbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀kadà ibi báyìí wọ́n ní ṣe ọmọ ọbẹ̀ àbí ọmọ pa ìwọ ló máa líran wọ́n ti mọ geography Yorùbá land gbogbo olùtọ́ abẹ gbogbo àwọn àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n ti gbogbo ẹ̀wọ̀n mu àwọn sọ pé àti wọn bá gba bí màá sáré bí màá sá lọ wọn á kọ́ ní iwájú o. The state governors should mobilize for independent state judiciary, not under federal control, for deployment and promotion. Ìyẹn ni pé a recommend bí pé kí Tinubu he should restructure Nigeria into the 6 geopolitical zones. Kó sì fún each zone ní autonomy. So that's the only way Yoruba can stand and defend themselves. And the issue involved ni pé ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn ń sọ fún wa pé we are Yoruba are original Jews. Ìbùsọ̀ wọn sì sọ pé ibikíbi tó bá wà you will surpass. Ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀wà owó lọ́wọ́ you are Yoruba administration Yoruba ni now. Western region gbà yín kọ́ they were shooting. Economy Western region gbà yẹn ó bẹ́tà gbogbo àwọn Indonesia Malaysia gbogbo yẹn France gbogbo àwọn Europe and the television before France. Tẹ́ ẹ bá sì wò ó lé ní gbogbo àwọn Nigerians tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n perform medically ní yíyí America ní Europe ẹ lọ check wọn their Yoruba ancestry. That's evidence. So the only thing is ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ Tinubu ẹ get up pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ Yorùbá ló wà kò ní ṣe nǹkan kan ló lè pressure on him torí ó ti sọ pé òun ò lè fight the bandits wọn pa òun. I'm saying it, I know it, you can't deny it. So kí á ní káwọn sójà ẹran ṣe kíní àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn gbogbo banditry àwọn tó ń support ẹ̀ àwọn ló yí káyọ̀ I thank you for your attention.
No less. No less.